Live from the world's capital market, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by Bony Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Fidelity's Bitcoin exchange-traded fund has achieved a new record as the largest single investment in a Bitcoin fund, attracting $40 million from two traditional United States financial advisors. Legacy Wealth Management and United Capital Management of Kansas each invested $20 million. The Vietnamese IT company FPT and Nvidia, a global leader in semiconductor chip production, said they would be collaborating to finance and build a $200 million artificial intelligence factory in Vietnam. The companies said their initiative aims to create a one-stop shop for all things AI and cloud computing in Vietnam. Oil prices rose $1 a barrel as the US dollar index fell to its lowest level in more than a week, and as investors shifted their focus away from geopolitical issues in the Middle East to the state of global economies. The last session saw the pound gain 0.8% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin fell 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 23:50 GMT. The US durable goods order at 12:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT. Germany's IFO business climate will be released at 08 GMT. Germany's IFO current assessment at 08 GMT. Australia's consumer price index at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's Market Outlook. We wish you a productive trading day. Make sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.